In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and run a campaign using Upshot.ai dashboard. So once you log into your Upshot.ai dashboard, go to the left-hand panel and select Campaigns under the Campaign Management section. Now click on Create. The first step will be to give the name for the campaign. And select the start date and the end date for the campaign. And select the segment of a room or a journal for which you want to run this campaign for. And you can select a role-based segment or manual segment that you uploaded. And now select the activity type. So it will display all the different types of activities and actions that Upshot supports. For example, you want to run a survey campaign, select Survey, select the name of the survey that you want to run, and you can select the Add to Inbox feature if you wanted this data to be the response data to be past week, app or the website. And the Only Inbox feature will allow you to store the survey and only present within the app rather than the survey coming as a pop-up. Now you can also set the frequency whether you want to do it once or unlimited times or the custom number of times. And along with running the survey, you can also notify about the survey through email, the same as WhatsApp or push notifications. So user might get a push notification saying, "Hey, you're waiting for your feedback" as a notification, and when they tap on the notification they'll be able to see survey launching. And you can actually make them answer the survey. Here I'm just trying to select notification. And once you're done with this, you can also test the campaign if you want to, selecting giving the device token or the app purely or the email address for which you want to write this campaign, and see how the survey looks. And once you're done with this, click on Create. And once you click on Run, this campaign will be active for the selected segment.